What's up, guys? So we actually are not going to be working on the Civic anymore. As you can see, it's not in the background, so that is gone. I actually sold it because I got offered a pretty decent deal for it for what I had into it. So we're done with that. We might build another one later on, but that just means we're going to be moving focus to my other car, my Subaru. So I guess I'll go ahead and take the time during this video to kind of give you a small walk around. And we're going to be installing my new wheels on it. So here it is. It's a 2013 WRX. And right now, the car is pretty much all stock. And it wasn't stock. I've actually owned it for a little while. But I had to return it to stock because I had to take it to the dealership. The reason I had to take it to the dealership is because I spun a rod bearing at 63,000 miles. And I did a little bit of research and discovered that these actually have an extended warranty for rod bearings up to 100,000 miles. From what I heard, the reasoning behind that is that one of the main engine manufacturing facilities for these, the line boring machine was off and nobody knew it, but they still produced the engines. So there was a lawsuit and they ended up extending the warranty. So I got extremely lucky on that. So I turned it all back to stock, and I'm going to show you guys putting the parts back on it that I took off. Here's the wheels. They are Rota MXRs. They are 18 by 9.5, and I have Nixon 245 4018s on it. So they look pretty good. But yeah, I'll go ahead and throw you guys up on the tripod and we'll throw them on. Oh yeah, also I have some inch spacers to put on there with it because I like an aggressive stance and it makes them poke a little bit, and personally I love that. So we're going to be throwing these on too with it.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. In the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you.
Alright guys, well, the wheels are back on. She's looking pretty good. I'm happy with them. So another thing I forgot to mention was that it also has a nameless axle back exhaust on it, and it has a Perrine crank pulley on there. So so far those are really the only two things in the short throw that are done to the car. And I've got a small lineup of things that we're going to do to it. I have a front lip that we're going to throw on the bumper. I have a Cobb air intake with the cold air box that we're going to throw in, and I have an access port we're going to install. For now that could be it. I think I'm going to put a roof rack on it. I'll make a short video about that. That's pretty easy. I'm also going to do, as I mentioned before, we had a we spun a bearing. So I'm also going to be doing some upgrades to make the car more reliable, because I don't really want it to happen again. If it does happen again, the motor's getting built, which it's bittersweet. I don't really want to spend that much, but if it happens again, it's getting built. So I'm going to do like Killer Bee oil pickup, maybe the oil baffle, air oil separator. I'm definitely going to do the cylinder 4 cooling mod. I already ordered that. That's on the way. I'll show you guys how to do that. But yeah, that's just that's a small list of the near future things we're going to be doing to it. But yeah, so that's this is a little short video, but I just wanted to do a small wheel reveal of it and kind of introduce you guys to my car. I am going to be installing a wideband gauge on it. I had it on there previously, but like I said, I turned it to stock. So I put some heat wrap on my downpipe, my stock downpipe, because I took the heat shield off to install this O2 bung for the wideband gauge. A lot of aftermarket downpipes will have a second one in there, but I'm going to be installing that, and I'm also going to be installing at some point my turbo heat shield that I took off a while back. But yeah, so there's my small list of stuff that we'll be doing, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do all of it. Also, I have, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do all that. So hopefully we can build this over time, and I hope you guys enjoy. Keep tuning in for future videos. See you later.